Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I'm Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand text formatting elements in HTML. So in this class, we are going to cover all these elements in HTML. So let's try to understand these concepts in a very detailed way by using the definitions of these elements, and also we'll try to understand all these elements by using an example. So let's jump on to the definitions of each and every elements. So these two elements, in our previous class we have discussed about bold and strong elements. So the difference is bold is a non-semantic element and strong is a semantic element. In the same way, the first two elements I and EM, I stands for italic and EM stands for emphasis. So both these elements are in the same way as bold and strong. So I italic is a non-semantic element and EM emphasis is a semantic element. Now what is the use of I and EM? Both will do the same job as bold and strong. So they will format the text as italic text. So let's see the definitions. Use it to make the text italic. Often used for style purposes such as titles of books or movies, foreign words or technical terms. So whenever we are having technical terms, titles of the textbooks, so on, so then we are going to use this italic element. And in the same way, emphasis can also be used, but it makes some sense. It is a semantic element. Also makes text italic, same as that of I. But it adds semantic meaning, it adds some meaning. What kind of meaning it adds is indicating that the text has special importance or emphasis. If the text is having a special emphasis or importance, then we are going to use EM. Okay, so that makes the difference between I and emphasis elements. And the next one is underline. It is not very frequently used these days. So use it to underline the text, while it is very less common. Okay, so it can still be used for specific purposes like highlighting links in printed documents. So whenever printed documents are used, so in that case we are going to use to highlight the links. So that is the use of underline element. Next one is mark, highlights text. This element is same as that of marker. So for example, highlighter, not marker, highlighter. So what does that mean is, for example, if you are trying to listen, if you are reading a textbook, so we will use the highlighter to highlight some part of the text. So what is the use of it is, it means that this is very important part that needs to be understood in a very detailed way. In such cases, we use these highlighters. In the same way, for example, if you want to highlight certain part of the text, means certain text with highest importance, if you want to mark it as a highlighter, then we are going to use this mark element. So that is the use of mark element. And the next one is small, makes the text smaller than the surrounding text, often use it for fine print, copyright notices and legal disclaimers. So whenever the text is having copyrights, legal disclaimers, then we will make the text smaller. So copyright text, if you observe that in your HTML pages, at the bottom of the every page there will be a copyright text. Try to observe that the text will be smaller in comparison with all the text that is surrounded by it. This text is surrounded by it. So in such cases, we are going to use this small element. Next, go on to the next elements, and these two elements, del and ins. Del means deleted, ins means inserted, and these two elements are used. So they are used simultaneously. So what is the use of these elements? Indicates that text has been deleted from the document, often used to show edits or revisions. So whenever the text is edited or any revision is made in the previous text, so that we are going to mark that as edits, which means that this part of the text is deleted and next is inserted. So for the deleted text, what is the inserted text? That is represented by using ins. So that is the use of del and ins text. And the next one is sub and sup, sup. Sub stands for subscript and SUP stands for superscript. So I think you got the point. Subscript means, for example, if you want to represent chemical formulae, for example, if you take this this part of the code, here we are having H2O. Sub, the 2 is embedded within subtext, sub element, means subscript, below the text, below the existing text. If you want to make certain text to be below the existing text, then we are going to use sub, which is a subscript, and superscript means to the power of. So above the text, if you want to use, then we are going to use this supertext. So for example, if you take first, second, third, x square, x to the power of 3. So in such cases, we are going to use this supertext, superscript. So let's try to understand all these elements in one single example. Here is our example. In this example, we tried the most to keep all the elements in one single paragraph, means 2 paragraphs. So here we have used italic, and this one is used, mark element is used, supertext small, and again italic is used, and this is del means this is the removed text and this is the corrected text. Okay, so let's see the output of this and we'll try to understand this. See, the output of this is here. So this is the output of the corresponding HTML page. See here, this is the italic text, and this one is mark, and here is the superscript. See here is the superscript, and this one is small, and this one is deleted text, and this one is corrected text. So this is how, and these are all the elements including bold and strong. All these elements are text formatting elements. Means, for example, in the entire text, if you want to format the text which looks different from the regular text. So in order to format the text, these are all the elements that are available in HTML. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this course, regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.